This video gonna show you how to program a spare key for FEM system on BMW. You can click Help to check FEM connection information. First of all, we need to remove the FEM module of the vehicle. FEM module is at the lower part of the A column and the passenger side. Now let's check all the stuff we need. We're gonna need the FEM module, puncture socket, FEM BDC interface board, 8-pin cable, 12-volt cable, 20-pin cable, OBP ICP adapter, ACDP host, a blank key and work key. Install the FEM BDC interface board. Connect the FEM BDC interface board and the FEM module with 12-volt cable. Connect the 8-pin cable with the puncture socket. Loosen the knob of the socket and take the tips back. After confirming the correct direction, hold on the socket with left hand and tighten the socket with right hand. Connect the ACDP host and the OBP ICP adapter. Connect the 8-pin cable to the adapter. Then connect the adapter and the FEM BDC interface board with 20-pin cable. Power on and prepare for app operation. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose FEM BDC. Choose IMMO Mile Edge. Choose Mode 1 Add Key. Choose FEM BDC Initial Programming Process. Choose Method 1 Automatic ICP Programming. Check the VIN number, mile age, and version information. Save the screenshot. Click Yes. Pin detection passed. If the pin detection fails, please clean the memory trace and reinstall the puncture circuit. That's the coding date storage path. That's the EEPROM date storage path. That's the model date storage path. Initial programming process finished. Back to the previous page. Click Program Key. Make sure you have Work Key, Blank New Key. Finish FEM BDC Initial Programming Process. Click OK. Place the work key in the key induction coin and click OK. Check the key ID and IIC code. Click OK. Choose the unoccupied key channel displayed as FF. Remove the work key, put in the blank key into the key induction coin. Key programming complete. Check the new key has been successfully learned. After key learning, load the FEM module to verify the new key function. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.